Notepad. Notepad is a very useful application software that you can use to write or type simple text. You can type in Notepad instead of writing in the notebook. It has unlimited pages. Moreover, in case you write something wrong, you do not need to write all over again. You can make the corrections in the same page. Making corrections in text is known as text editing. Notepad is a basic text editing program available in Windows accessories. It is the most commonly used program to view or edit text files. A text file is identified by the text file name extension .txt. Starting Notepad. Click on Start button. Point to All apps. Point to Windows accessories. Select and click on Notepad. You will see a small screen on your desktop when you open Notepad. In the Windows operating system, every application program opens in a separate window. Each application window has a title bar and a menu bar. Does this not look like a window on the desktop? It is the Notepad window. You can see a title bar at the top of the window and a menu bar below that. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the text file and the program name. It contains 3 control buttons at the right corner to minimize, maximize, and close the window. Menu bar. Below the title bar, there is a menu bar. It provides you with several commands that can be executed by just selecting them. The menu bar has the following options: File, Edit, Format, View, Help. File menu. This menu is related to file operations. It is used to create a new file, open an existing file, save and print the file, and exit from Notepad. Edit menu. This option is used to edit the text. It has options like cut, copy, paste, delete, etc. Format menu. This option is used for changing the font style of text and word wrap only. View menu. This option is used for showing the status bar that shows the status of the text. Help menu. This menu provides help for any topic of Notepad. Text typing. Below the menu bar, there is text area for typing the text. Do you see a cursor within the Notepad window? If not, click once inside the Notepad window and now you can type anything in this window. Remember to press the Enter key to move the cursor to the next line, otherwise it will continue in the same line. Try typing the text shown in the figure below. Is the text of 3rd and 6th line completely visible on the screen if scrolled? If complete text is not visible, then the arrow buttons on the horizontal scroll bar will be activated. See at the bottom of the Notepad window. Click on the right arrow button. You will be able to see more of the text present in 3rd line. Click on it repeatedly till the entire text is visible. This is called scrolling the screen. You can scroll vertically also using the vertical scroll bar present on the right side of the window. Window resizing. You can stretch the window from any of its edges to change its size. Observe that the mouse pointer changes when you bring it over the edge of window. Or click on the Maximize Control button on the right of the title bar. Notice that the notepad window covers the whole screen. The window is maximized. Observe that the middle button has changed. This is now the Restore Down button. Click on it again to restore the window to its original size. Moving the window. Move the mouse pointer to the title bar. Hold the left mouse button down and move the mouse. Observe that the notepad window also moves along with the mouse. This is called dragging. Release the mouse button. The notepad window will be placed at the desired location where you leave it. Text editing. Editing means to make corrections. While typing, we may make some spelling mistakes. These mistakes can be corrected by moving the cursor within the text by arrow keys and using delete and backspace keys to delete and retype the word correctly. To delete a big portion of text, you can select the text and then press the delete key. How to select? Click at the beginning of the text to be selected. Press the Shift key and hold it down. Click the mouse at the end of the text to be selected. The selected text will be highlighted. Note: the Select All option in the Edit menu allows you to select all the text at once. How to deselect? Move the mouse pointer away from the selected text. Click the left mouse button. The text will no more be highlighted. Copy, cut, paste. You can copy, cut, and paste the text from one place to another. Select the text to be copied. Click on Edit menu and select Copy option. Place the mouse pointer and click where you want to paste the text. Again, go to Edit menu and select Paste option. The copied text will be pasted at the location you placed the cursor. Note that the text remains at its previous place also. You have copied the text, not deleted. The Cut option is similar to Copy option except that it gets deleted from the previous place. Text formatting. Select the text to be formatted. Click the Format menu and then click Font. A new window called Dialog Box appears asking for font, font style, and size of font. Make your selections in the font, font style, and size of font. An example of how your font would look appears under Sample. When you finish making font selections, click OK. Changes to the font style and size affect the selected text in the document. Saving a file. After typing, formatting, and editing your text, you need to store it permanently for future use. Follow the steps to save your work in a file. Select File menu. Select Save option from the File menu. A dialog box appears asking for the file name. In File Name list box, type the name that you want to give to your file. Click the Save button. Observe that your file name appears on the title bar. Your file is saved permanently. This file can be loaded anytime using the Open option in the File menu. Try closing the notepad, opening it again, and opening your file. Here is another method. Open the folder which has your saved file. Look for the name of your notepad file that you had saved earlier. Select the notepad file icon having the name of your file. Double-click on the icon to open your saved file. Hope you enjoyed learning.